मेरे सभी स्टूडेंट्स को, सभी दोस्तों को नए साल की बहुत बहुत बधाई। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि पिछले वर्ष में आपने कुछ अच्छा अचीव किया होगा। अगर कुछ रह गया है, कुछ हासिल करना अभी बाकी है, तो उम्मीद करता हूँ ये नया साल आपके लिए वो सब कुछ लेके आए, सारी खुशियाँ आपको मिले और आप अपने मकसद हासिल करें। ठंड से बच के रहो, बहुत ठंड है। खुश रहो, आबाद रहो।
Hey, hi friends, I'm Gaurav from your English teacher. How are you? Wish you a very happy new year and may your life being prosperous afterwards from this year and you enjoy your life very much. May you spend this year with lots of happiness and prosperity. Happy New Year once again. Take care. Bye.
Hello friends, today we have Alexa with us. So let's see how it works. Alexa, Happy New Year.
Yippee! Happy New Year. Hope you've made your healthy resolutions and stay the course. If you want some help, say, help me work out.
Alexa, what are your New Year resolution?
In the new year, I plan to start working out more mathematical equations.
So Happy New Year 2020 to everyone. And as you have seen, even Alexa has New Year resolutions. What are New Year resolutions? Resolutions are the promises that you do to yourself, that you are gonna do something in this new years. So in this new years, keep some new resolutions, and it's very important that you follow the deadlines of these resolutions and you work on it. A lot of us keep resolutions every year, every time, but we never follow them. Okay, only a few of us are very true to our resolution. So keep a good resolution that you can do and do it. Take the actions now, just do it. Have a great new year.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम सोनाली फ्रॉम योर इंग्लिश टीचर। आपको 2020 की ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ। अगर आप अपने 2020 को सक्सेसफुल बनाना चाहते हैं, अगर आप बाहर जाना चाहते हैं, तो आप कॉन्टैक्ट करिए सिर्फ योर इंग्लिश टीचर को। थैंक यू सो मच। गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Hi, this is Ankush Chaudhary, your English teacher. Wish you very happy new year. नया साल आपकी ज़िंदगी के अंदर ढेर सारी खुशियाँ लेकर के आए, यही मेरी कामना है। थैंक यू।
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी को नए साल के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, और मैं चाहता हूं कि आने वाला साल आपके लिए बहुत सारी खुशियां लेकर के आए। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द न्यू ईयर। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर 2020।
Hello students, I am Komal from your English teacher. I wish you a very happy new year 2020. I wish you can successfully achieve your goals and aim which you want to become in your life. Thank you so much.
Hey, hello friends. My name is Nitesh. I am from your English teacher and wish you a very happy new year 2020, and I hope do your best efforts in 2020 for achieving good band score in IELTS, PTE, and try to learn more and more English for improving your overall and desirable needs, which are very beneficial to your upcoming future. Thanks a lot and have a nice day, and wish you a very happy new year, and celebrate your new year with good wishes and hope you will enjoy fully.